Kyle, are you excited for the assembly?
My name is Kyle McCarthy, and I'm pumped for this year's Liberty Assembly. Go Pats!
Ben, are you excited for the assembly?
Yeah. Moderately.
Hunter, are you excited?
No.
Oh. Okay, hey, we're gonna have to cut that one out of the video. Because everyone else is really excited.
I'm really excited.
Glenn, are you excited?
Bro, is this a vlog?
Yeah, it's a vlog. Quillen, is this assembly gonna be exciting?
Yo, what up? You know who it is? Quinlan Gray. We back. Liberty Assembly, first of the year, baby. I'm so pumped.
How about you?
Question?
Are you excited?
Heck yeah!
Woo! Woo!
Filling in the spots. Anywhere you can find a seat, sit yourselves down. There's going to be a lot of people.
Let's go.
Woo!
Film the populars. There you go.
Jake White's at the assembly, guys. Jake, say hi. Jake. Jake.
All right, so
Are you excited for
freshmen,
the
just start
assembly?
clearing in the section over here in front of you. Come on. Find spots first. Find those spots. I need you behind the fatty blue. Fatty
Caleb,
blue.
are you excited for the assembly,
You're gonna
bro?
sit here, feet behind.
Lots of foot space, am I right?
I just want to wish everybody a good year, especially my class. Stay here, pal.
Do we have any sophomores ready to go? No doubt the juniors are ready.
Yeah! Let's get it! Let's see what's going on here.
Look at Holden. Look at Holden.
Where?
Looking like an actor over there. Taking pictures of asses.
It goes. Last
Yeah,
time.
Cade! Woo!
Okay, that was great. But let's go over it a little bit slower. So we start
Russell, do you know how to do it?
Stop.
No, I don't.
Who knows how to do it?
Buddy, why are you
Like 4 times.
Because I'm in video.
Pat, for
Clap your hands twice. Pat twice. Clap once. Pat your legs 4 more times.
See that? Oh, there you go.
And then clap. Okay, last time, so clap, ba-da-da-da, clap, clap, pat, pat, clap, ba-da-da.
Caleb, are you going to watch the game today? Are you going to watch the game? Guys, that's our fearless leader up in the front. I'm sitting in the... You're sitting... Cade, have you been able to talk to Jake Wright today?
He's been surrounded by girls all day, so I've gotten in a few words, but it was pretty awesome.
Hey.
Okay, we've got true and false.
Cameron,
First question is...
how do you think we're going to do, bro?
With the fearless leader.
Our fearless leader.
The fearless leader.
Jake, please say something to the camera. Jake, say something.
Liberty's new stadium capacity is
So
doubled
cool.
to 3,100.
That is true.
He's sitting down. Oh my God, he said hi. He said hi to me. I would never break the camera. I'm a video 2
I
student.
still have the privilege of seeing our state champion drill team. That's right, state champion.
I thought it was a 16 championship
They've been
football
working
team.
hard over the summer, and they have a team for you guys.
How'd you feel about us
And
losing
it's
state?
great. So without further ado,
We'll get an next champ.
Yeah! It's over! Woo! Yeah!
Actually, right now I'm next to senior super Riley Larson.
What's up? We have a game tonight.
football in Mercer Island at 7 o'clock. Come out, support your Pats. Let's go Patriots. C's, let's hear it, Chip.
Cade, how was it?
That was amazing. My voice already is out for the football game, but I'll be fine.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, Caleb, how was
4 times 4, right?
Sam Brown, how was the assembly, bro?
Dude, he was awesome, bro. I can't wait till next one.
Preston, how was the assembly, man?
Dude, it was lit, bro.
It was lit. Aaron, how was the assembly?
What is the score?
Hello, Sen.
Oh, the assembly was great.
Woo! Wow. Tina Cunningham. Colton, you're here too.
What is this?
Cedar, how was the assembly, man?
It's great.
Were you there?
Happy summer?
Yeah. Why the hell are you so tall? Back up. What is that? Hello, Sen. Jared, how'd you like the assembly, man?
Hey, boom gang, whole lot of gang shit, y'all.
Rate out of 10, out of 10, out of 10. What was the assembly? 3.
It was a 3.
3 out of 3?
3 out of 10. You said out of 10, so it was a 3.
I heard it from the distance, and it sounded like it sucked.
Okay. Kid, I was just checking the film and you looked really lit at the assembly. Why would you like to thank anyone? Speech maybe?
Hi guys, go sophomores, we're the best.
Is that your girlfriend? Is that your boyfriend?